What is up, everybody? My name is Michael Gardiner, recording this from my home office while I'm here after going to Scaling Systems Live with Ravi Abuvala. So apologies for the bit shaky camera, I am using my phone. So today I want to talk about one secret place I like to hire virtual assistants that I can almost guarantee that you've never heard of. So without any further ado, let's go ahead and jump into my computer and I will give it a show. Alright, so jumping right into it, here is the sauce, and not only the sauce, but the secret sauce for hiring. Now, I bet mostly everybody watching this video has heard of Upwork, they've heard of freelancer.com, they've heard of onlinejobs.ph, and other agencies that help you hire virtual assistants. Now, this is probably the least utilized hiring platform out there, and I want to go over why it's so great and why I love to hire on here. So first of all, it is a subreddit on Reddit. If you're not familiar with what a subreddit is a specific forum or community on Reddit, kind of like how Facebook has a Facebook group. It's always based around a certain topic or idea. Now this one is called slave labor. Now before that goes ahead and triggers a warning in your brain to click off this video, it's not actually slave labor. It's essentially a place where you can get jobs done well below market rate. Now go ahead and reading the about section. You can get jobs done well below market rate. Any task within reason can be completed here for pay. Find casual work, earn a few dollars here and there completing small tasks. It will soon add up. Employers can outsource tasks instantly. So it's essentially a place for people offering their services and people looking to hire. Now, the reason I really like slave labor for certain tasks is a lot of times on here you'll find people who just got fired, or maybe they're a college student trying to earn a few bucks. Point being, I get a lot of American, Canadian, British, Australian, like first world country work done here for Filipino and Indian rates, which is absolutely amazing. Because a lot of times there's people who are just in a tough spot and need to make money, or like really common, just broke college kids who want to have money to go out to eat or something. So you can get some great things here. And you can also find people who are offering what they do. So you'll see some posts have task right here, or it says task. That's somebody looking to hire. You also have offers. I will train you for job interviews and polish your CV resume. I can make a free version of you for $15. This is not just business, it is all over the place. There is some NSFW on here, but you can use it for business for sure. I will create your business a beautiful website landing page for only $10. And look at here, we can see he even has some examples. So not a bad website, and for $10, that's really not bad at all. So it's just somebody who's building a portfolio. You can get some great work on here, and if you want something specific, then you can just go ahead and go over here and hit create post. You put a flare, which is little brackets, and you put that it's a task. You put your headline, and then you describe your task. Now people will go ahead and comment on your post, they'll message you, PM you, and you can have them do the work. Now, I would go ahead and look at other posts that are similar to yours to get an idea for pricing, but in general, it's very cheap. And if you do want to get a long-term employee off here, then you can certainly do that. You just continue to keep them around. So that is it for this tool. It is awesome, very little talked about, and I hope you absolutely loved learning about it. Thanks for watching, guys, and if you did love this video, go ahead and smash that thumbs up button and subscribe for even more as I'm uploading every day in April.